In this video, we'll demonstrate how to hide games from other users on the PlayStation 5. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to hide games from other users on the PS5, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get straight into the steps. Go to your profile on the PlayStation 5 by navigating to the top menu. Select your profile and then go to the Games section, where you can view all the games associated with your PlayStation account. To hide a game from other users, proceed to the Privacy settings. Scroll down until you find Your Activity, where you can manage who can see your gaming history, trophies, and participation in challenges. You can set visibility to anyone, friends of friends, friends only, or select no one to restrict visibility entirely. Additionally, you can individually hide specific games from being visible to others. Go to Hide Games from Other Players and select the games you want to hide from your profile or gaming history. By checking specific games, they won't appear on your profile or in your gaming history, keeping them private from other users. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. Thank you for watching. For additional tips and tutorials, visit mediamagnetguide.com.